Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we begin an exciting journey through the AI project cycle. By the end of this session, you'll understand how AI projects are structured, what kind of data they need, how to analyze and visualize that data, and most importantly, how each step connects to create a smart AI solution. The AI project cycle works just like a roadmap. It takes us step by step from identifying a problem to collecting and analyzing data to building and testing an AI model. Each stage builds upon the last and helps make our final solution accurate and meaningful. The second stage of the AI project cycle is data acquisition. Once we know the problem we want to solve, we need to figure out what kind of data will help us find the answer. For example, if we're predicting rainfall, we need weather data like temperature, humidity, and pressure. And just collecting data isn't enough. It must come from reliable and authentic sources so our AI system can learn accurately. All data isn't the same. We have numerical data, like temperature readings, categorical data, like sunny or rainy days, text data used in chatbots or feedback analysis, and image data, like X-rays or photographs. Identifying the type of data helps us choose the right tools and techniques for analysis. Once data is collected, we move to data exploration. Here, we examine the data carefully. We check for missing or incorrect values. We clean it, remove errors, and look for patterns and trends. This step is like preparing raw ingredients before cooking, clean, sorted, and ready for analysis. Now comes one of the most exciting parts, data visualization. We use graphs and charts to represent data visually. Why? Because visuals help us understand trends and insights faster than numbers alone. A well-designed graph can tell a clear story about the data, and that's what makes visualization such a powerful tool in AI projects. There are many ways to visualize data. A bar graph helps compare categories. A line graph shows how something changes over time. A pie chart shows proportions. A histogram displays distribution. And a scatter plot helps us find relationships between two factors. Choosing the right graph is key to telling your data's story clearly. Let's look at an example. Suppose we collected data on rainfall, humidity, and temperature. When we plot rainfall against days in a line graph, we can easily see patterns, like how rainfall increases when humidity is high. Such insights help us build better AI models for weather prediction. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. You can now foresee what kind of data is required for an AI project. You know how to find trustworthy sources. You understand the role of data visualization, and you can select the right type of graph to represent your data effectively. Always remember, in artificial intelligence, data is the foundation. The better we collect, clean, and visualize it, the smarter our AI becomes. Keep exploring data, keep asking questions, and keep visualizing your ideas. That's how you'll build meaningful and responsible AI solutions. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.